Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your device is missing important security and quality while updating Windows error. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to perform is you need to press Windows and I key together. Again, Windows and I key together to open your settings. Once you have opened it, proceed on looking for System, which I can see here next to Home at the left side of my screen. Click on it, and this time you need to look for Troubleshoot. Okay, I can see there next to Activation. Simply click on it. And here in this Option tab, you need to go for the third one, which is Other Troubleshooters. Click it once again. And the moment you have clicked it, you will be you will be directed here at the Other Troubleshooters window. Here you need to go with Windows Update and you need to run the troubleshooters. Okay, so mostly when you run the troubleshooters in Windows Update, it will fix the problem for you. Just have to wait patiently and finish the process. And once done, just have to restart your computer and I'm sure it will be fixed. Okay? So, and let's say if it doesn't fix for you or you don't like this option, then let's proceed to the second option, which is you need to press Windows and R key together and this time type services.msc, then click on OK. Here in the services, you need to look for Windows Update. Now, in order to look that or locate that easily, just simply click anywhere of the system and services and type W in your keyboard and go for Windows Update. Just simply scroll down to locate it. Now, I can see here next to Windows Time. Just have to run this into automatic. And how we can do that, do a right click, go for properties, and change the startup type into automatic. If you, in your case, it is either manual or disabled or automatic delayed start. Make sure you have selected the automatic, click on apply, and OK. Once you have set the startup type into automatic, moved on by doing a right click again and you need to go with start. If your start button is grayed out, then proceed to restart. And the moment you have restarted, you just have to close this window and you need to restart your computer once again. Check if your problem has been fixed. And let's say if it doesn't, then let's bound to the last and third step, which is you need to open your command prompt. Here at the bottom search bar, type CMD, then go with the best match. Just wait until the Run as Administrator will appear here. You need to proceed by clicking on that. And when your user account control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes so that you will be able to open this command prompt window. Here you'll be pasting one by one a command, which I'll be pasting in the description box below. First is you need to stop update services, and then you need to reset the update cache, and also restart the services and scan and repair system files. Okay, so let me just delete this. Okay, let me just delete this. Now you need to click on one by that and it will now, just have to paste it all and you will be up to or you will be redirected to the process itself. Just have to wait until this process is done. It will take 10 minutes or less than that. And once you have finished this process, just have to restart your computer, and I'm sure it will be fixed. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.